Yo, what's up, guys? Thanks so much for calling. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching for today's new episode of our video. And today, I'm gonna be showing you how I made this incredible idea. Alright, it's about a camera mounting your phone to your tripod in a stronger way.
Alright, there. Okay, as you can see there, notice that there's like a button, a snap button, and it holds your camera tightly so it won't fall. Alright, and it's very useful, yeah, for those who love taking pictures using their tripods, and oh, I have low battery already. Let me just charge this one. Okay, one moment. Where's the charger? Where's the cord? Cord command. Sorry, guys. Just need to charge this one first.
Alright, there. So we're back again. And now, where are we? Alright. So I'm gonna show you this tripod. So there, thank you so much guys for watching the video. I will show you now again the finished product.
Okay guys, so here it is. I will show you. Alright, so excuse me for those kalats in there. Sorry bitaw kayo guys sa mga kalats, wadyo ko kapang limpyo. But anyway, I'll just show you this one. So, okay. So even if, your phone will slide a bit, alright, for example this one, alright, so right now it's not in the bracket or something, and it still holds the phone, so that means that it's very safe to use, and it's kind of useful. Small thing but very useful. Okay, please do not hesitate to put some comments down below in the comment section if you want to share some ideas. What do you think of it, if it's a good idea or not? And if you find this, useful to you, don't forget to hit subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can receive notification about our new videos, new episode of our videos, and some other things that I know that I will share to you. It's a genuine one. It's my own idea. I just thought of something else, and then I will try to do it. Next time, I think I will show you also how to use this snap button on different things. Like, for example, on your pants, if you forgot to... Okay, let me get some pants in here. For example, this one, you lost this kind of, lock in your pants. Then you can use this snap buttons, and it's pretty good because you don't have to, and you just have to push that and it will lock automatically. We'll see you again next time to our new episode of this, just basic tutorial. I'm sorry, I'm really not good at English. I'm just trying my best, and I'm proud Bisaya. So, guys, thank you and have a nice day. So enjoy, and bye-bye.